What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Hot Boy Summer by NICHARD RIXON. This is my personal song that I've released for the summer of this year, so if you want to check out the full song, jump into the video description below. There will be a link there for the full song for you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you will need to capo up to the first fret. If you need a link to a free capo, you can find one in the video description, as well as if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find those in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, they will be there for you. So the song is only using 3 different chords and they just repeat throughout the entire song. First chord is going to be a C, and this is a C add 9. Middle finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then you need a G major. Keep that exact same formation, except move your middle finger and your ring finger down one string, so that your middle finger is now on the 3rd fret of the low E, and your index finger is on the 2nd fret of the A, and your middle and your pinky finger are in the exact same position. And then finally you need a D major. Keep your ring finger exactly where it is on the 3rd fret of the B. Put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. And you will need to add your pinky back to that 3rd fret of the high E during one of the strumming patterns, and I'll show you what that looks like. Once you get the chords down, you will just need your strumming pattern. You're going to start on down, up, mute, down to G. So C is down, up, mute to G, down with a mute. Go to your D, do the same thing with D to G. So down, up, mute, G, mute. Altogether that looks like down, up, down, down, up, mute, down, mute. One more time. Now you do that again, except now when you go to D, down, up with a mute, and then you go, you add that pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E for a, that's down, up, down, up, and you take your pinky finger back off on the last up. So down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up. So all together, it looks like down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then that whole thing repeats. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab if there's a guitar tab, or for a free capo or a free ebook. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.